Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today we are showing 10 elegant white and pink flower cake designs, each one designed with delicate detail and timeless charm, whether for a birthday, wedding, or simple celebration. The first one is blush rose buttercream cake, a smooth white buttercream base with soft blush pink roses piped all over, classic, clean, and always in style. The next is pink pony crown cake. This cake features a crown of real sugar ponies in soft pink tone sitting atop a pure white cake, graceful and photogenic. The next is two-tie white lace cake, floral cake. Intricate with white lace piping and cluster of light pink flowers make it this cake feel elegant and romantic. The next is pink watercolor floral cake. Watercolor pink blush stroke across a white fondant base with scattered edible flowers and aesthetic and modern approach. The next is white drip and pink blooms. A semi-neck with white chocolate drip and fresh pink roses and carnations on top. Soft, trendy, and totally Instagram worthy. The next is Umber Rose Swirl Cake. Pink buttercream roses fading into white at the top. A beautiful gradient that's soft and elegant. The next is Sugar Flower Cascade Cake. A tall, white tied cake with cascading handmade sugar roses in blush and ivory. Dramatic yet delight. The next is simple white cake with simple pink bloom. A minimalist white cake topped with a single pink pony rose, understated, chic, and deeply elegant. The next is pink petal confetti cake. Edible pink flowers, petals scattered gently over a matte white base. It's like a spring breeze captured in a cake. The next is white and pink tied fondant cake. A three-tied masterpiece with alternating bands of pink fondant and white floral detail. Regal and sophisticated. From modern minimalist to vintage glam, white and pink floral cakes always deliver elegance. Which cake design was your favorite? Tell us in the comment below. At Cakes Factory, we love combining simplicity and style, and white and pink floral cakes are the perfect example. If you love these ideas, make sure to like this video, share with your cake loving friends or bride to be. Subscribe to Cakes Factory for daily inspiration. Some tips are here. Quick tips are perfect white and pink flower cake presentation. Pair pink with ivory or blush, not hot pink, for elegance. Add texture with lace, piping, gold leaf, or fondant ruffles. Real or sugar flowers, both work, just keep them soft and pastel. Make sure to tell us which was your favorite design, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Always be happy and share your love with others to make your life positive and happy. Thank you for watching. If you have any query or if you want to know something or to add something, let us know in the comment below. I will try to make the next video according to your demand. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow with sweet inspiration. White and pink flowers, animate fade out. Pink loved by girls, and these all are cakes for girls' birthdays and for bride to be's. Always stay blessed and happy.